Welcome today in front of me OPPO Reno5 Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Now just tap here to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just tap to open. Here go to enabling settings, and here tap on the switcher near the green Apple keyboard, tap to activate it and go back. Now just go here to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's it. Now we just will check, for example, we'll start messaging with someone, for example with a hard reset, and as can you see right now, your keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as the emojis. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.